Morning everyone, hopefully you had a nice weekend. We'll start with the DXY for the upcoming week. Still looking bullish. Let's start with higher time frame. If you check the 6-month, we're looking very bullish, especially breaking this one, but we did not close yet as of yet. But for the time being, we're still looking bullish. If you go to the 3 months, still also targeting these highs and potentially around these areas. Let's go down to the weekly. I'm looking for a completed wave around these areas. That was my own target. So potentially we might have a pullback and then continuation of the up move, but it's not showing as of yet on the daily or the 8-hour. So, and especially when they did such thing around here, so I would basically look for continuation of the up move, unless if we have a structure break and continuation of the up move. Let's see how it's gonna play out, but I'm still bullish on the DXY, bearish on the majors. As you can see on most of them, I'm looking towards 1.25 area for the pound. We'll be interested in sell setups. As a day trader, you can day trade the pullbacks if you have a system for that, if you have a setup for that, but keep in mind higher time frames is looking towards these areas. Euro USD, the same thing, looking for more down to come. Of course, you can, as a day trader, trade the pullbacks towards the liquidity before any continuation of the down move. USD CAD, same stuff, same concept, looking for more up to come, looking for buy setups. This fractal that I explained long time ago, playing exactly as it is. So you can follow that. I think I explained it in January. Looking for more buys. Of course, you could have traded this 3-wave move. It is clear. Retesting these areas before any continuation of the up move. Aussie, I'm looking for something like this before continuation of the up move. If you go to higher time frame, see, we're just retesting this, so we might have another retest before continuation towards these areas. 0.8. On the 6-month, the same thing. And for this is a completed wave. So why not take it to the downside before continuation of the up move? That's my view concerning the majors. Commodities, looking for not a decent pullback, but a pullback on the 2 hour or the 4 hour before any continuation of the up move. We might have a deeper pullback. We might. I don't see it coming for the time being. We're still in the interest zone. Would be looking for continuation of the move until proven otherwise. Same thing for silver. We might have this, a deeper pullback, but still looking for that. Actually, we might have this like playing out for continuation of the up move. Oil, we reach our weekly and monthly targets that we were looking at. Whoever is swinging trading or position taking, that most likely take some partial but leave some open. I still have targets around these areas. But for the time being, we hit our objectives, and as you can see, we're looking for a pullback. How deep that pullback? Either towards these areas or this area. We might have a deeper one before continuation of the up move. So either you wait for it to finish, or if you want to day trade it, you can look for these cells towards these areas and this area. Indices, looking more to the downside. For me, I'm looking for sell setups. Of course, you can trade as a day trader towards the liquidity, but I'm looking for this on all the indices. There is a doesn't matter. You see this fractal here? I love fractals, man, because price, that's what it is. It's just fractal. Just take it like that, minimize the whole thing. It will fit approximately the same way. And take this one and make it proportional to the other one. And that's what I'm looking for. Retracement, filling the gaps before any taking out these lows, and maybe deeper. I'm looking for more sells to come, basically. NAS, the same thing. Higher time frame, looking for more sells, at least towards these areas, if not deeper. Euro USD, Euro NZD, requested by one of the members. That was the first target. That was the second target. Looking for a pullback for more down to come. Pound Aussie, the same thing. Looking towards these areas. Any pullback around these areas. If you go higher time frame, monthly, you would find a key area here for more down to come. Trade safe, and talk to you next week.